In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a meeting using Microsoft Teams. First, let's navigate to the Microsoft Teams website and log in using your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard. This is your central hub for team activities, sharing files, chatting, and of course, managing meetings. To create a meeting, locate the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. Clicking on this will present several options, and what we're looking for is the Meet application. Once you find it, clicking it will help us set the stage for starting a meeting. Next, click on the Meet option. This will guide you to the setup for creating your meeting. Now, you will see an option to Meet Now, and this selection sets an immediate meeting in motion, letting you quickly initiate a virtual gathering. Once you've clicked Meet Now, a prompt to Get a Link to Share will appear. This link is essential as it allows you to invite participants to join your meeting. It's a straightforward method to extend your meeting invitation to colleagues or friends. You can share this link via email, chat, or any messenger app you prefer. After you've shared the link, you can proceed by clicking Start Meeting, which activates the meeting space. You'll then be presented with a Join Now button. Clicking this will lead you into the meeting interface, where you can see who is joining the meeting in real time. Now it's time to play the waiting game for others to join the meeting. As participants start arriving, you may notice a notification or pop-up asking you to admit them. Click Admit to allow them to enter the meeting. You have the control here to manage who gets in and when. If you'd like to focus on a specific participant during your meeting, direct your attention to the People icon at the top of your screen. From there, navigate to the list of participants and select the person you'd like to spotlight. Click on their name and then click the three dots that appear on the right side of their name. Select Spotlight for Everyone, which enhances their visibility on all participants' screens, making them the focal point of your meeting. A pop-up will confirm this action. Make sure you click Spotlight for Everyone once again to finalize it. Should you need to remove the spotlight, simply navigate back to the three dots menu and click Stop Spotlighting. Again, a pop-up will appear to confirm your decision. By selecting Stop Spotlighting, you'll return to the default view, concluding that part of the session. And there you have it, a guide on setting up and managing a meeting in Microsoft Teams. This process ensures your meetings are structured, organized, and focused. Thanks for watching, and happy meeting!